हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय चैनल डीएसए अनलॉक्ड। आज हम स्ट्रिंग्स के प्लेलिस्ट के 9th वीडियो करेंगे, मेक द स्ट्रिंग ग्रेट विच इज़ ए इजी क्वेश्चन, लीड कोड नंबर 1544। सो आज का इंस्पायरिंग टाइम, योर टाइम इज़ लिमिटेड, सो डोंट वेस्ट इट लिविंग समवन एल्स लाइफ। हम लोग का टाइम 24 आवर्स, ये कभी भी कितना भी पैसा, कितना भी अमीर इंसान ये टाइम को वापस नहीं ला सकता। सो डोंट वेस्ट इट। सो द क्वेश्चन सेज ए स्ट्रिंग इज ए गुड स्ट्रिंग. A good string is a string which doesn't have two adjacent character s of I and s of I plus 1 where 0 is less than I and s dot length minus 2. S of I is a lowercase and s of I plus 1 is the same letter but in uppercase or vice versa. So here if the input is L, E, E, which is E is small, E capital E, then we'll read हम लोग वो दोनों स्ट्रिंग को बैड बोलेंगे और उसको रिमूव कर देंगे एंड विल रिटर्न दैट फुल स्ट्रिंग आफ्टर रिमूविंग द बैड कैरेक्टर्स. So here L, E, E. If we will remove these two, then I have only this small E, E, T, C, O, D, E. So then this will be the string. This will be the good string. Here if you will see A, B, B, A, C, C. We can remove here. We have many possible scenario, all lead to the same answer. I think here we don't have. We have many possible scenario and all lead to the same answer. Okay, so here small a, b, capital B. So here we will remove small b and capital B. So now the output will be A, capital A, C, small capital C. Now it will be A, capital A. This will remove, and again when it will come small c and capital C. So this will also remove and it will return an empty string. So we'll see in example. I'll do the dry run. We'll see how it is working. Make the string great. So here the input is L, small e, capital E, then small e, T, C, O, D, E. Okay, so here the question, what the question say, if consecutively capital letter and for the small letter else small letter else capital letter, vice versa, if both are present, then we have to remove that string from the main this one, then we will return the strings. So here if we will go, only these two are consecutive and which is present, remaining are not present, so it will return L, E, T, C, O, D, E. We'll see another example. So here if we'll see A, B, B, A, C, C. So when we'll check A, B both are not same, but small b, capital B both are same, so we'll remove it. We'll remove it. Now it will be A, one second. Now it will be small a, capital A, and small c, capital C. So these two it will get removed, and these two also it will get removed. So the output will be empty string. So how we will write the program here, we'll see. So now how we will check this one, we'll run a loop. One pointer will be there and we will store it in a result, because we have to push that string into a stack. So I am taking result equal to empty stack. If the stack length is greater than 0, we have to run a loop for each string. because in JavaScript this is we can't changes in the given string. We can't modify the strings, so we have to take another string, yeah, array where we can store that variable. So here if we'll I1 here I, it will check the previous one, but previous means if the previous one will store in the result here. So here as we don't have anything, we will write one loop for let 0 I is less than this, let s dot length I plus plus if result dot length is greater than 0, it should be 1 at least minimum. And what will check? S of I okay. How we will check this is capital B and small b? How we will check it? So in ASCII we know small b value is small 98 and A value is 97, capital A value is 65 and B value is 66. So if we will minus from 97 to 66, how much it will be? 65, how much it will be? 32. Same here as well, 32. So the difference between these two characters which are equal but small case and uppercase, if the difference between each character is 32, then only we will remove that those characters from the string. So how we'll do that? We have to check from result date length should be greater than 0 and math.apps we have to write, because absolute value will take, it's not minus 32, we have plus 32, absolute value always positive. So math.apps is dot char code at char code at I minus, we can write like this, a dot char code at 0. Instead of that directly I am writing 97 minus result dot, here result dot length minus 1, the last value. Let's say I am pushing first, it will go A, in the result we'll put nothing is there, so we'll directly push it to A. Now we'll go to B, we'll check this A character and B character, the absolute value of the difference is 32. If it is yes, then we'll push it, if equal to 32 then we'll pop that value, result dot pop, else result dot push is of I, that character will push it, will return the result, but it is an array, so we will join it to convert it to a string. We'll use join keyword. So I'm doing the dry run now. I'm removing the code. Carefully understand. Now I have pushed for first loop, it will go check and A, push it, and now it will check, command check if result dot length greater than 0, yes, and the B and this A difference between these two are 32, no, so this A is 65 and this B is 98. this difference is 33, it's not 32. So we'll push it AB. Now we'll check B. So now the difference is 98 minus 63, which is 32. So we'll pop this one. Now the A is present. Now again we'll go to this one. This I will point to this. If the difference between A and A, small a 97, capital A 65, is the difference between these two are 32, yes, then we have to pop it again. Now the array is empty. Again it will push the C. Again it will come and check whether this C and this C different is 32. Obviously it will be, C will be 99, here C will be 67. 9 minus 7, which will be 2, 9, 3, 32. So it will be 32. Now it will pop out and it will return this one. We have to join it and it will return an empty string. Okay, let's see. We'll do the coding. So now we'll write the code. We have taken one stack result empty array. This is a loop which will run through the string and is.length. Instead of this direct, I can write let's ch of s. We'll check if result.length is greater than 0 and math.abs, it will take the absolute value. Now what it will check, ch.char code at 0 minus 97 minus okay. Now minus what, from what we will minus it, result of result.length minus 1 0 minus 97. We don't need to minus from 97 directly. We can do this. It will be same only. Equal to 32. When the value is equal to 32, will return, we can result dot pop, else will push ch return result, it will be result dot join. It is expecting a string, so we'll convert the array to string. So it got the test cases are working now. Just submit it. We'll see. Yeah, it got accepted. Here the time complexity will be O of n. Here we have taken the length is n and we have taken one loop, so the time complexity is O of n, and the space complexity will be, I have taken one array, so the space complexity will be O of n.